Well, a 2018 abetment to suicide case is back to haunt the Republic TV promoter Arnab Goswami. This after a very dramatic arrest in the morning where he was then produced before an Alibag court. The family of the interior designer Anwar Nayak and his mother Kumund had then claimed that they demand justice and it can only happen after his arrest. Listen in.
I myself don't know what political powers or connections does Mr. Arnab Goswami have. But this was definitely like a case that was closed because of his influence. And the suicide was also because he had pressurized my father and he made sure that from all sides my father is cornered and there is no way out.
So were there any threats that the family was receiving?
Yeah, definitely. Even earlier, and he was threatening my father also that whatever money I have taken, you know, like I have given you, that's fine. I'll make sure you don't get the rest of it. And even if you get, I'll make sure how I get it back. I know it. You being a Maharashtrian, you being in Maharashtra, you cannot touch me out here. These were his words. And he is also, many times I've asked my father, we should launch a police complaint that he's not paying a legitimate dues many times. And father was like, no, he has actually dhamkofied me that, you know, that he'll spoil your career, he'll spoil my career as well. You know, and I that time was practicing also. I'd just gotten back on court as well. And I was a professional tennis player. And also my father was, you know, trying to mobilize more projects, which he couldn't do because of this guy.
पहले सरकार ने बिल्कुल इसमें एक्शन नहीं लिए. I can't say who or who, and it's a fact. You as a citizen should think as a layman कि आपके घर में अगर ये घटना घटी होती और इसमें ये 3 व्यक्ति नहीं होते तो जो सुसाइड नोट में 3 नाम लिखे हो उनको अरेस्ट होती थी कि नहीं, और वो जो उनके खरीदे हुए उनके जो ये है एम्प्लॉइज, उनको भी मालूम है कि वहाँ से बैठ के ही वो भूंगते हैं और अभी भी वो जो बोल रहे हैं वहाँ से बैठ के ही कर रहे हैं. उसका पैसा उन्होंने दिया नहीं है. अगर काम नहीं हुआ होता तो वो पत्रकारिता वहाँ से कर सकते थे क्या? शुड बी पनिश्ड द मैक्सिमम वॉट एवर एंड स्टॉप डूइंग. उससे जो लाइसेंस है पत्रकारिता का निकाल लेना चाहिए. एंड द रिपब्लिक स्टूडियो ऑल ओवर इंडिया शुड बी शट.
Well, let me go across to Siddhant, who is joining us live from outside the Alibag court. Well, Siddhant, what's happening on the probe front right now? What really is there in the form of evidence?
Well, you see, this, as you mentioned, Meghna, that this is a case of 2018, and you know, the family alleges that Mumbai police, Maharashtra police had filed a summary in the case, and a summary means that there is no proper evidence found in an investigation.
Well, in fact, do stay on with us. Our Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has reacted. Listen in.
We all have fought against the emergency during the JP movement and thereafter, when Congress party imposed emergency. We also fought for freedom of press. The media has got the right to ask questions, uncomfortable questions too. You can differ, you can counter, but you abusing police power to arrest a journalist of his stature is grossly unfair and condemnable. But what is surprising for me is the conspicuous silence of Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji and Rahul Gandhi, who day in and day out launch a vicious attack on the Narendra Modi government based upon motivated charges of trying to undermine the institutions. And here is their government in Maharashtra, which is launching a frontal assault on freedom of press. And both Sonia ji and Rahul Gandhi are maintaining a conspicuous silence.